traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to be talking about how the Bank Nifty would be behaving on the 5th of March 2021. We are also going to talk about the profits that we have made and the open position that we have and why we took an open position today, and also the next key levels for tomorrow. So one thing is for sure, guys. I want to tell you at this moment, there is no opportunity for the Bank Nifty to go down. Okay, whenever it is coming to a specific bottom, all right, if you would see right at the beginning of the Feb, when it came to a specific bottom, it consolidates, it breaks, then it consolidates, comes into a range, and then makes a new bottom, and then again creates a high, and then again creates a new bottom, and then again creates a high. So this is all volatility, guys. Now the best thing that we could do is to capture the most out of it. Now, the most important thing for me and what made me go ahead with a call option, all right, was this particular trend line that I had drew at the beginning of the day. All right, now this is coming from a couple of days, and there are a lot of supports, through an angle for Bank Nifty. All right, so there is going to be a buy on dip scenario. If there is no buy on dips here, there would be a buy on dips here, and until and unless it takes out the lows, on a straight vertical line, we should not be thinking about going short on this index. Now, of course, there was an opportunity at the middle of the day that from the top there was a fall. Nobody can catch the top, nobody can catch the bottom, but the only thing that we can do is find our profits between the range. So to find our profits, we understood that it is getting bought at the dips. So why not take an opportunity, and understanding that our option can open gap up, because like the way how there was a fight in the morning with the Bank Nifty options. So the same fight is still going to continue, and nobody is going to let this market lose very soon. So with that, what I did was I am expecting market to actually break this particular structure that it has. So as soon as the market breaks this structure tomorrow, if it happens to be a gap up and somehow it sustains and breaks this structure at the middle of the day, the first target that we are going to see here is 36,500. And if it is able to sustain that particular level as well, the next target that we are going to see is 36,800 on the top. Now, remember, because I have a position, it's not a biased view, but I'm going to tell you an unbiased view as well. If it breaks the trend line here, I'm going to quickly trade it for a quick 200 point target until 35,525. And if it breaks the other trend line that I have over here, I'm going to look for a bigger target here at the bottom at 35,000. So these are my levels. Now, the most important thing is that a carry forward position on a Thursday is a pretty safe one. All right, so there is nothing that you need to worry about. So we will still have a lot of action over there tomorrow, and we'll see how the day pans out to be. But the profit that we have made today is that this is what I actually wanted to show you, that we bought a hero zero position at 34. The option actually went somewhere around 77, I think. So we took a hero zero position at the end of the day, and we booked our profits within 50 minutes. So we also made this 20,000 to compensate any or negative that we had on an overnight position, and that actually took care of everything. So if you want to make similar profits, if you want to have a mentor who can help you stay on the safer side of the index in such a volatile market, then join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us every day. And also, if you want free market view, there's a Telegram channel that is being listed below. Please visit the Telegram channel and join us so that you can understand the free market review, understand how we are progressing, and stay in touch with whatever notifications that we have here regarding the market. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. And I'm feeling a bit dizzy with a small migraine, so you might not see me in a normal form on this video. I apologize for any energy that is missing. I wish you a fabulous day ahead. Jai Hind. We'll see you tomorrow with another fascinating video. Bye-bye.